everybody, and welcome to the next video in the eOPSEC 101 course, or OPSEC for Absolute Beginners. In the last video, we went over briefly what a DNS was, what a private DNS was, and why you would need one. Now in this video, we're going to show you how to install NextDNS and use it on Windows. It's going to be very simple, shouldn't take more than a couple minutes. Let's go ahead and jump into it. First, go ahead and open up your browser of choice. In this case, I'm using LibreWolf, but you can use whatever you want. Then we're going to go to nextdns.io. And now you'll see a page that says the new firewall for the modern internet. Come down to this blue button that says try it now, no sign up required. And you now have an account. Now, this account does only last for 7 days. It's really simple to sign it up the rest of the way, and it's obviously still free. But let's not do that just yet. I would say give it a couple of days like this before you go through the process of signing up fully, because I've never had a problem with it. No one else I know has ever had a problem with it. But if you did have a problem with it, it wouldn't be the first time something in tech went wrong. So we're just going to stay like this for now. Now we're going to come down, and I would love to say that we're going to follow this set of instructions. However, as you can see, these are for Windows 11. The vast majority of people on Windows are still using Windows 10 or lower, and because this is Windows 11 only, we can't follow those instructions. So unfortunately, we're going to have to install the NextDNS app. It is extremely lightweight though, and it allows you to turn off reporting and everything else. So I can't really complain. I just don't like doing it. So we're going to go to where it says download the installer here. We're going to click save. As you can see, I just did this about a few minutes ago. We're going to go ahead and click on it. And we'll get this pop-up that says nextdnssetup.exe with your version number. Give me my desktop back. Thank you. You'll get welcome to NextDNS setup. Go ahead and click next. There's your license agreement. Go ahead and click I agree. There's the installation folder. Change it if you want to. If not, install. Should only take like 10 seconds at the most. And we are now finished installing. So it's that easy. We'll go ahead and click finish. And as you can see, it does pop up in the center of your screen. So now the last few things you need to do, come up to the top and find your ID. In this case, ours is 11CBC9, so 11CBC9. Turn off report device name, turn off check for updates, and click save. Goes away, and after a couple seconds, all good. This device is using NextDNS with this profile. And of course, if you ever want to turn off NextDNS for any reason, come down here to the bottom right click on it, click quit, give it a couple seconds, and now you're done with NextDNS. You ever want to use it again? You can just type in NextDNS and click the app, not setup, and there you go. It's really that easy. So that's going to be it with NextDNS. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please consider liking, commenting, subscribing, all that good stuff. Either way, my name is James Martin. You guys have been amazing, and I will see you in installing NextDNS for Linux.